Welcome back to the 6th Gear Garage. I recently bought this imported 1994 80 Series Land Cruiser, and it only shifts from first to third gear, no second. After driving for 5 or 10 minutes, the overdrive light on the cluster starts flashing, and that means there's a code. Today, I'll show how to read the transmission code and figure out what the problem is based on that code. All I need to do this is a jumper harness. Even bending a paper clip will work. When the overdrive light starts flashing, park the vehicle and pop the hood. On the firewall, below the wiper motor, there's a small junction box used for diagnostics. Pop off the cover, and on the inside of the lid is a pinout diagram. Use the jumper to connect E1 and TT. Then go look at the cluster and count the flashes of the overdrive light. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. There's a long pause before and after each code. So, 63. I let it cycle through again, and it repeated 63, so that's the only code. Here's a chart of each code and what it means. I'll put a link in the description to download this chart from my site. So, code 63 is a faulty number 2 shift solenoid. Not at all uncommon for an FZJ80. I ordered a new solenoid, and I'll be showing how to drop the transmission pan and replace the solenoids in next week's video. Thanks for watching, and consider subscribing for more how-to videos and project vehicle updates here at the 6th Gear Garage.